Nature of roots of a quadratic equation. You know that the quadratic equation is given by ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, where a is not equal to 0. The roots of this equation can be found using the formula x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b squared minus 4ac by 2a. Here b squared minus 4ac, which is inside the root, is called the discriminant of the quadratic equation. B squared minus 4ac is called the discriminant of the quadratic equation, and therefore it decides the nature of the roots. Okay, so depending on the discriminant, we are going to decide the nature of the roots. So now if the discriminant denoted by delta equal to b squared minus 4ac, that is, if delta is greater than 0, when it takes positive values, then the roots are real and unequal. The roots are real and unequal. Whenever the discriminant delta equal to b squared minus 4ac is greater than 0, the roots are real and unequal. Now, if the discriminant delta equal to b squared minus 4ac is equal to 0, if delta is equal to 0, the roots are real and equal. The roots are real and equal. Now, if the discriminant delta equal to b squared minus 4ac, that is delta is less than 0, the roots are not real. The roots are not real. So now, using this, we are going to determine whether the nature of the roots of the following quadratic equation are real or not real. So now let us go into example 3.40. In the first subdivision of this, they have given the quadratic equation as x squared minus x minus 20 equal to 0. Compare this with your quadratic equation ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0, from where we have a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 1 and c is equal to minus 20. When we compare with the general quadratic equation ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0, we will have a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 1 and c is equal to minus 20. Now let us find out the discriminant delta. You know the discriminant delta is given by b squared minus 4ac. So what is your b? Minus 1. So minus 1 the whole square. Minus 4ac, 4 into, what is your a? 1. What is your c? Minus 20. So it is minus 1 the whole square, minus 4 into 1 into minus 20. Minus 1 the whole square, minus 1 into minus 1, minus into minus plus 1 into 1, 1. Minus into minus again here, plus, and 4 into 20, 80. So we have 1 plus 80. Therefore 1 plus 80 is equal to 81. So we have calculated delta is equal to 81 and it is greater than 0. We see that it is greater than 0. Therefore the roots are real and unequal according to our table, which states that if delta is greater than 0, the roots are real and unequal. Now let us go to find the nature of the quadratic equation 9x squared minus 24x plus 16 equal to 0. Compare it with the quadratic equation ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0, from where you have a is equal to 9, b is equal to minus 24 and c is equal to 16. Now you have to find the discriminant. The discriminant delta, you know, it is equal to b squared minus 4ac. So what is your b? Minus 24. So it is minus 24 square minus 4ac, minus 4 into 9 into 16. So minus 24 squared is minus into minus plus 24 into 24, 576. And minus 4 into 9 into 16 will give you 576. So 576 minus 576, we have found the answer to be 0. So we have got the discriminant delta is equal to 0. Therefore, by the formula, if delta is equal to 0, the roots are real and equal. Since the discriminant delta is equal to 0, by the table we have the roots are real and equal. Now let us go into the third subdivision. Here the quadratic equation is given to be 2x squared minus 2x plus 9 equal to 0. You compare it with your general quadratic equation ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0, where we get a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 2 and c is equal to 9. Now let us calculate the discriminant delta equal to b squared minus 4ac. So delta is equal to b minus 2 square minus 4 into ac 2 into 9 minus 2 squared, minus into minus plus 2 squared is 4. Minus 4 into 2 into 9 is minus 72. So 4 minus 72. This is positive and this is negative. Therefore 72 minus 4, you have to subtract, it is 68. The bigger number is 72 and the sign is minus. So the answer is minus 68. So we have found delta is equal to minus 68. It is negative. So it is less than 0. Therefore the roots are not real. We have only not real roots. So there are no real roots for this quadratic equation.